Welcome back to Rent Court Roulette. Today we're diving into a lineup of landlord-tenant showdowns where every dollar counts and every deadline matters. Pay close attention. These hearings may seem routine, but each decision carries real stakes for housing security and legal strategy.
And Jocelyn Diamond.
Here.
Okay. All right. Who's that? That's Miss Davis.
I'm right here.
And yeah, no, I know. And what's his name? All right. that guy that just keeps showing up with you. All right. Where are we on this case?
Your Honor, we have rent to retain of $1,245.20, cost of $246.00, for a total of $1,491.24. Your Honor, they did pay the $610 last week, but we would still be asking for entry of a judgment today.
All right. Okay, folks, how are you going to get the rest of this paid?
Well, I did reach out to the manager, Mr. Turner, and Bobby Sprangler emailed me back, and it looks like they're allowing us to make payments.
That's what your email says?
Yes.
Did you have, well, has the amount of the payments been set up, or?
We haven't set a definite amount per week, but they in the email she said that they'll still need to give us legal notices because even though they're allowing us to make payments.
Got it. I see. So we just don't know what that looks like at this point. Right?
Correct. Yeah.
All right. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to adjourn it out 1 week. Counsel, I don't know if you were aware of that or not.
I was not, Your Honor.
Okay. So let me adjourn it out 1 week. I'll adjourn this out to September 19th, 2025 at what time? At 1 p.m. Okay. Allow counsel to check into that and see whether or not that can work out. All right. What did he say?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I'll learn my lesson, sir. I didn't say anything unless I'm spoken to.
No, you can go ahead and talk. I'm not listening, but you can talk.
No, everything she said was true. I'm working on some things now. I'm trying to, for the next 2 Fridays in a row, give them about $600. And then I got some other money coming in so we can balance out by the end of the month.
Okay, so if you do something this Friday, I don't know if you can, but if you do something this Friday and the next Friday, your balance is going to be very, very low.
Right.
I
can't do anything as of this Friday, like today, but I'm trying to make a payment by Tuesday and then make another payment by like next Friday or by next Friday.
Here's a quick legal nugget. The judge is probing for a good faith payment plan. Courts often favor tenants who show they're making sincere efforts, even if the full amount isn't ready. But don't mistake kindness for leniency. Failure to follow through can trigger an immediate judgment.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. So see what you can do. Let counsel check into the payment plan, and then we'll figure out exactly where we are next week. Fair enough?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Is that good with you? Hold on. Is that good with you, Ms. Davis?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. That's all I care about. All right. Thank you.
Case 2 is heating up, literally. Kia Berry steps in with a sizable balance, but a solid payment track record. Judges love receipts, and every dollar already paid buys her credibility and time. Question for you. If you were in her shoes, would you gamble on a pending assistance program or hustle to pay it all yourself?
Three Apartments versus Kia Berry. Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
Kia Berry.
All right. And where are we on this?
Your Honor, I have rent to retain of $1,595.92, cost of $169, for a total of $1,764.92.
Ms. Berry paid about 800 or so.
I paid 900 on the 3rd,
Yeah.
and then I paid 500 this morning.
So you paid another 5
Yes.
this morning. So you're at about the 12. And how are you planning on getting the rest paid?
I get paid on Wednesday, so I was hoping I can at least get everything paid by the 19th.
By the 19th, you think you can get everything paid?
I hope so. I did apply for an SCR, so.
All right.
So.
But you know what? You paid this down. So what I'm going to do over the objection of plaintiff, maybe she has an SCR pending. So I'll adjourn this out to the 19th, 2025, 1 p.m. At 1 p.m.
Okay.
And how much can you be assured that you'll get paid by that date?
I want to try to pay the whole thing, the whole 1,700.
Okay. I'm writing it down.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll make sure.
All right. Very good. If you have everything paid, I don't need to see you.
Okay.
But you just have to make sure everything's
paid for. Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you so much.
Care. Court calls case Spice Tree Apartment versus Brian Meeks. Oh, there he is. Okay. You're usually okay. And what's the balance currently?
Your Honor, the balance is, the rent to retain is $3,260.74. Cost of $182 for a total of $3,442.74. We are asking for entry of a judgment since no payments were made since the last hearing.
Yes. All right, sir.
Yes.
How are you intending on getting this paid? Remember your circumstances and how you work. I get on.
So, yes, sir. So I have finally, I got this one guy in closing. It's in final underwriting. My check will be about $4,800. So I'll be able to just pay the full balance then. It should be closing this coming week. Should be. I mean, it's an underwriting. I've been
I get you.
texting.
I get you. So here's what I'm going to do, because I think the last time we were here, you came through on everything. It's just had somebody. Yeah. You had to wait on other people to do what
it's real estate commissions.
So I will find that there's no tribal issue. I'll issue a judgment after hearing for possession for that total amount of $34.42. Was it 74?
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't know why I can't read my writing today. All right. For that amount, I will, because the closing is supposed to take place next week, but who knows? The writ date will be the 29th.
Thank you.
All right. And he'll get that paid, I'm sure. So, all right.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Court calls case of Scio Farms versus Melanie Clemens.
Ouch. Judgment granted. Notice how the judge balanced compassion with procedure? Even though Meeks promises a big commission check, the court can't rely on should-be money. This is a classic landlord-tenant reality check. Hope isn't a legal defense.
Hello, Ms. Clemens.
Hello.
All right. What's the current balance on her account?
Your Honor, I have rent to retain of rent to retain of $424.82. Cost of $190 for a total of $614.82.
It's okay. All right, Ms. Clemens, you told me you were going to pay. You did. How are you going to get the rest of this done, ma'am?
Still got something out, waiting something from Peace Neighborhood, but I won't know about that till next week. But if not, I can pay on the 19th. Second, how did it go up to $600 and some dollars? Well, it should have been $5. According to the, it was $2,039.82. 1,500 got paid. How did it go to six something? It should have been 534.
Hold on. Hold on. Miss Clemens.
Okay.
You want to yell at me, don't you?
No, not you. I'm not yelling at you. No.
No, you're not. You're yelling at other people?
Nobody. No, I'm not yelling. It's just that my phone is so low. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm talking loud. My phone, I can barely hear you, so it's making me talk loud. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. All right. I get it. So, because my feelings were getting hurt.
Oh, no.
Okay. Was there a late fee that got included, counsel?
Yes, there was, Your Honor, a $55 late fee.
That's what happened, Miss Clemens.
Okay. So what is the balance again now?
$614.82.
I can pay it in the afternoon on the 19th.
How late on the afternoon on the 19th?
I think my check posts anywhere between 12 and 1 o'clock, somewhere in there.
Is my time 1 o'clock on this? Yes. Oh, that's okay though. But you can get that paid, and Patty will be here so she can tell us. So, all right.
And if Peace Neighborhood Center comes through sooner, it'll be paid sooner. But
okay, Miss Clemens. Here's what I'll do. I'm going to adjourn it out 1 week.
Okay.
To the 19th, 2025 at 1 p.m. And then you should have that paid, and then we can dismiss the case, and you can quit yelling at me. Okay.
The question for you.
All right. Miss Clemens,
I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong. If I pay the $619 on the 19th, do I still need to come to court?
No, you don't need to be here. I'll miss you, but you don't need to come. Okay?
All right.
All right, Miss Clemens. You take care.
Thanks. You too. Bye-bye.
Bye. Scio Farms versus Eric Jackson.
Did you catch that? A surprise $55 late fee just spiked the balance. This is why tenants should scrutinize every ledger. Hidden fees can make or break your budget. Always ask for a detailed accounting before walking into court.
Here it is. Your name, sir?
Eric Jackson.
All right. And how much is owing on Mr. Jackson?
Sorry.
Your Honor, I have rent to retain of $1,765.04. Cost of $190.00 for a total of $1,955.04. Your Honor, he did pay the $1,400 last week.
Yep.
But we would be requesting entry of judgment today.
All right. Sir, how are you going to get the rest of this paid?
I'm working on that, actually. I told him I'd have it in by the 19th.
Pardon?
I said I'd have it paid by the 19th, last Friday when we had court.
Yes, you did.
I was going to say, I'm actually kind of working on that right now. I'm still on
So
unemployment.
you think you can get it paid by the 19th?
I'm hoping so, if possible. I was going to see if I could get another week added, because I mean, I'm on unemployment.
Gotcha.
Now.
Okay. So here's what I'll do. I'll grant a judgment to the plaintiff for possession, finding no tribal issue after a hearing. I will issue the judgment in the amount of the $1955.04 with a writ to issue. I'll extend, since he made a good faith payment, I'll extend his writ to the 29th.
Thank you.
All right. So get that all paid, and then you'll be set.
All right.
All right. Take
Thank
care. Scio Farms versus Michael Moore. Hello.
Hi.
Your name?
Michael Moore.
All right. And what is the balance that's owed?
Your Honor, we did receive another payment which is not included in this amount, but the rent to retain is $2,211.73. Cost of $190 for a total of $2,401.73. Your Honor, my client did receive an additional payment of $285 right before
Gotcha.
as well.
All right. Okay. How are you intending on getting this paid?
I had an unexpected car issue, so I haven't been able to get back and forth to work as easily as I normally do. And I've been doing DoorDash as well. So the car's getting fixed on Monday. I can probably make another $200 payment today or tomorrow.
Okay.
And probably have the rest by the 29th.
You think you can have everything by the 29th?
I think so.
Here's what I'll do. I'll issue a judgment finding no tribal issue after a hearing for the full amount of the 2401.73, understanding that there's that other payment that's there that's going to lower that amount, but I'm not including it.
Right.
Follow me? All right. With the writ to issue the 29th. Give you another week out.
Thank you.
All right. Your car broke down.
Yes.
What kind of car is it?
A Ford Escape, brakes, rotors,
Ford?
and
A Ford broke?
yeah.
Oh, I don't want to talk to you. All right. You must have done something. All right. Take care. Scio Farms versus Gregory Pennington.
Your Honor.
Okay, there you are, Mr. Pennington. I'll need a camera, but while you work on that, what's the claim in this case?
Your Honor, I have
Even in the courtroom, humor sneaks in. But beneath the laughs is a sobering truth. Unexpected expenses like car repairs often derail rent payments. Judges know this. And while they might crack a joke, the writ of eviction still looms if the balance isn't met.
rent to retain of $1,895.55, cost of $190 for a total of $2,088.55. Your Honor, we would be asking for entry of a judgment today. He did make the $600 payment.
Yes, he did. All right. Mr. Pennington, you were working with your 401k. Where are you with that?
I just received a check today, Your Honor. I gotta go cash it. I don't have a bank account, so I go to the store and cash it. But other than that, yes, I received it just today. And after I get out of work, I want to get that cash.
And that's enough to take care of your entire balance.
No, because it's only my check is because the summons I got ordered to or whatever, it was $1,921.16, I do believe. And when you get to do the hardship, that's all you can only do what it calls for. But I am going to because I talked to my people in the 401k because they take taxes out and everything. So he kind of helped me out. He helped me out by calculating how much taxes get, so I can get the exact 1921.16. So I got that, and I'm going to add in to $2,000 a day. I'm going to give them, and then next Thursday I was going to give it, I guess, $88, I do believe.
Okay, so hold on a second, Mr. Pennington. You're going to pay him $2,000 today.
Correct.
All right. And then you can come up with that other 88 by the 19th?
Yeah, I'm going to try to work on it. I'm going to try to work on it today. Like you said, I like to get everything paid.
I got you. Okay.
But if not, yeah.
All right.
Thursdays I get paid, so I haven't paid Thursday if not.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to give him an adjournment to the 19th. He told us exactly what he was going to do. He paid the money. He got his 401k. He's going to pay that. He'll be about 88 short, but by that date, he'll get it paid. Then if you get it all paid, I don't need to see you on the 19th. They're going to dismiss the case, okay? I'll give you a shot at it.
Copy
all
that.
right.
I appreciate that.
Not a problem. Take care, Mr. Pennington.
You too. Bye.
And that's a wrap on today's rent roll call. What's your takeaway? Should courts show more flexibility for tenants scrambling to pay, or do landlords deserve immediate possession when deadlines pass? Drop your thoughts below, because these cases might be local, but the housing debate is everywhere.